Hello everybody. In today's programming example, we're going to be going over an example which shows how static and automatic variables work. Now to explain what static and automatic variables are, first bit, a variable for which memory is allocated at block entry and deallocated at block exit is an automatic variable. Pretty much means that it's the default variable. A variable for which memory remains allocated as long as the program executes is a static variable, meaning that it just is always allocated once the program executes. Global variables are automatically static variables, and if you do not know what a global variable is, a global variable is basically a variable that is declared outside of a function and is available to every single function in that program. Now, by default, variables are declared within a block, a function, or really anything resembling a function are automatic variables. But you can declare a static variable within a block by using the reserved word static. Now if you want to, for example, declare x of type int as a static variable, you can declare it as this static int x. Pretty simple, just like the way that you can declare constants. So to start off with this program, you first want to write in, after using namespace std, void test. Now after that, we can then move into the int main function, and we can write in int count semicolon for count is equal to 1 semicolon, count is less than or equal to 5 semicolon, and count plus plus. Now in the code, we're going to write in test, and then after that, we can delete all of these unnecessary spaces because that's going to be the only little bit of code. Now here we can write in void test, then we can enter. Now this one will have no actual parameters, and then we can write in static int and x is equal to 0. Next we can write in x is equal to x plus 2. Then we enter. Now y is equal to y plus 1. And actually, after here, I accidentally made a mistake. Int y is equal to 10. This one is actually going to be an automatic variable. And now once we do this, and we enter cout inside test x is equal to x and y is equal to y and down. Now that is the end of the code, so now we can run the program. Let me just add in some semicolons where it is necessary. And now you see here inside test, x is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, but y is always equal to 11. Now if we run this once again, we get the same thing. So I guess that was a fairly simple, fairly simple program for you guys, but it sort of shows how static variables work. Because outside of the function, it actually increases each time. So, because unlike y, which was declared as an automatic variable, its value changes each time. But for each time that it runs for x, it actually does not change. So that's a neat little idea that was added to C++, and it's a neat little concept that you can add into your programs to make them easier to make and simpler to read. So I hope you all had a great time doing this programming example with me. I hope you guys can have fun playing around with some of these concepts, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!